Hello everyone, this is Satvik once again. I'm back with the Let's Discuss series, and I'm really sorry, guys. Like my main machine crashed, my main attacking machine crashed today. So I I thought to do a video on I thought to make video on uh, this live walkthrough, but as I told you, my machine crashed. My attacking machine crashed, and I should look for something else. So today I need to set that up. Okay, so yeah, just sorry for the apology. And as always, you can post your questions. Today also I'll do a live Q&A session, or let's discuss series, anything, you can call it anything. Yeah, you can post some of your questions. I'll try to help you out. You can post your questions, okay? And from tomorrow onwards there will be definitely a live session, okay? So like I did some error, some wrong methodology, and I crashed my main attacking machine, so which lead me to some issues, and I need to set that up, and it's not gonna uh, take less time, okay? It's gonna take some long time, but yes, I think I can help you with chat with this live session. Do post your questions, guys. I'll try to answer them, as many as I can. Okay, and the live stream is going to be till 9 p.m. Okay, so hurry up. You can post your questions over here, and I hope you guys liked my uh, a video that I uploaded morning, which is regarding how to install Kali Linux on Windows subsystem for Linux. So at the end of completion of that video, you can have something like this, okay, where you can do some research and stuff over there, whether it could be bug bounty or anything else. You can work on that. Okay, so hope you guys are typing something. Seed, okay. And also, guys, if you need any more support, do check out my Discord server as well. Let me show you the overview of that. So here, if you could see, my this is my server, guys. Like, you can get some good help over here regarding ethical hacking or anything else. This will be a little bit of like, this is a small community where you can seek help from if you are stuck in somewhere. Okay. Mm, just wait, I think you might be removing some of your messages, I think so. Let's see. Not getting anything else here. That is what I Rishi. A chat is working fine. I thought there is an issue with that. Chat is working fine. We remove the message. Hi Rishi. I hope you're doing good. And if you need any more help, or if you want me to show my bug bounty methodology, anything else, do message below. Okay, like I'll show you what I'll do, like how I approach the bug or anything else. Okay. Also, you can provide some support or any more suggestions, like on which subject or which topic I should make the videos. Okay, so anything is fine. Pro make videos on Black Arch. Sure, sure, Terkion. That's, I think it's fairly simple. Let me go to that site. But to be frank, Black Arc is not for everyone because it consumes more resources. So, like the file size is approximately 20 GB. Yes, and all the tools you will get there are which are also available on on Kali Linux, right? Like if you're using Kali Linux, that's absolutely fine. This is also another hacking distribution. Okay, you can download that, but it's like 20 GB, I think so. 20, it's the full ISO is like 15 gigs, and OVA is also available for VirtualBox. It is 28 GB. Like you can see how many tools it is having. I think so, 2600 tools. That's not fun, dude. Like we use max of tools below 100, I think so. To do bug bounty, yes, I'll make video on the Trishi. Okay, so bug bounty is nothing but you try to find bugs in a website, and for your report or for your discovery of bug, they provide you some money or they provide you some resources. Okay, you need to have skills, and you also need to have, you also need to know the knowledge on OS top 10, like cross-site scripting, injection, authentication, bypass, and so on. Okay, and do check that out. And coming to the Black Arc, this is easy, bro. Like installation is really simple, but I feel it's not required for any beginner to start with Black Arc. Okay, like I had seen most of the guys are having uh, laptops that those are decent enough. Network enumeration, it's like nmap, bro. Like it's nothing but like nmap. Like you try to find out the information about the network of that particular machine. Okay, or also you can also call it as, like you can try to get information of the devices that are out there in your network. Okay, you can call it anything else, anything is fine. I'll try to how to make videos on Black Arc. Methodology is same, but Black Arc is one more distribution. Okay, that's all, everything. And if you try to learn the methodology, then all these things will be cakewalk for you. Okay, so learn the methodology, and that's all. Learn methodology and what tools are used at what time, then you are done. Okay, then you are done, absolutely done with the things. Okay. and I hope you liked my video today that I posted on Windows subsystem for Linux for Kali with like to install Kali Linux on Windows, and hope you liked that. Let's see some more questions. See some more questions. What questions I can get? How can you stop your website getting hacked? Like implementing some safe methodology. So this is my website, like implementing the safe code and trying to recall, trying to remove some unnecessary things. Okay, also some like you need to use some latest version of anything else. It could be anything, like it could be uh, the version of bootstrap or anything else. You need to make sure that you use the latest version of everything possible out there. Okay, so that you can stop these kinds of attacks on website. And one important thing is you need to do secure coding. Okay, do a good coding or use good code or anything else so that you don't get these kinds of things. And any more questions? Yeah. Let's see any more questions. Show how to do recon. Okay, I'll show you the basic. Okay, so let me open my juice shop, OS juice shop, and if you don't know how to install that, there is a detailed video on this. Do check that out. It will take some time to load. So whenever you are working on website or whenever you want to do a recon on bug bounty, so make sure you do the following steps, okay, so that you can get some better results. This is what I follow and most of the people follow. And to be frank, if you do a good recon, then you get some good stuff, like good results. If you don't do that, then your information will be limited. Okay, let this load it, let this load, guys. Let's see. Hi Gautam. And as one of my friend has asked, Rishi, he's asking me to show a little bit of initial recon that I do on a website. Okay, like I'll be doing that on my juice shop application. Let's see what we are having there. It's taking some time to load, and done, we are done. So guys, So this, let me close all these things. So guys, whenever you try to approach an application, one important thing you need to do is you need to see like what are the languages or what are the frameworks used to build this application. Okay, so you can do that simply by installing a extension, a Firefox extension named as Vaporizer. Okay, so this is how it looks like. If you click over this, you can see what are all the frameworks or what are all the things that are used to build this particular site. You can see the JavaScript frameworks are Angular and Node.js, and you can also see the version. Like the cookie is provided by Osano, the service web service is provided by Amazon and Heroku. uh, jQuery 2.2.4 is used, and what are the font scripts and stuff. Okay, so we can definitely you first of all you need to do this, guys. Okay, do this, and next what you need to do is simply look into the application. Okay, like simply look into the application, what it comprises of, create some users, do some stuff. Okay, uh, that's the basic thing you need to do, and hope that's clear. And there is some, after doing all the basic things, you can dive into something like brute forcing the folders, directories, or anything else, and also opening your burp suite, capturing the request, and that's a different thing. And I'll definitely make a video on recon for bug bounty hunting. There'll be videos soon, so stay tuned to my channel where I'll showcase what are the steps that I follow to do the recon on a bug on a publication. Okay, so I hope I'll make a video on that. I can't cover it now, it takes lots of time. Okay, so we close this thing and I'll come to your question, guys. You can post your questions now. I'll try to answer them. I'll definitely make a video on recon, guys. Don't worry, definitely make a video on recon. So that's it, because that's an important thing. So you can post any of your questions over here, like regarding certifications, regarding cybersecurity, anything else. I'll try to answer that, and you can also seek advices for free. You guys might be typing that, that's fine. See what are the what are some more questions that I can get. And some of you are asking for antivirus, guys. Okay, like I got an email today, like 2 to 3 emails today regarding antivirus which I use on my host machine. I use Bitdefender, guys, and this is not at all pirated or anything else. I use the original version. You can see this is my name, this is my email, and this is the one a legitimate thing that I use. Okay, so and some are also asking that whether they could use some pirated version or not. I'm really not sure whether you can use that or not, but since antivirus is a really important thing, you can invest a little bit of amount in that, and you can seek some more protection. Hi Ayush Kumar, hi. And also, guys, do hit that like button so that YouTube will understand that you are liking the content, and it's gonna recommend to more people, more like-minded people like us, and they could learn something. Okay, also you can join my Discord server as always, links are in the description below. Okay, for more support. And now you can post some of your questions, I'll try to answer them. And this stream is little bit early because I'm having some little bit of work to do. Okay, so since my college reopened and I'm having normal work to do as well, so live streams is gonna be a little bit early. But if it's on weekends, it's gonna be something good. Okay. Hi Rakib. Hi. And unfortunately, there is no live walkthrough today due to some error. Like I unknowingly crashed my attacking machine. I need a vulnerable Windows 10. Google that, bro. I'm not having anyone with mine. Google that. You can find some of them on internet. Google that, dude. I think there might be some vulnerable. There will be definitely a vulnerable machine for that. You can definitely get that. Okay. Don't worry. You'll definitely get a vulnerable. But I don't know. Fuel per resources. Patavo. First of all, Ayush, you need to find out what version of SQL or what version of the database the server is using. Like if you do an nmap scan, you'll definitely know whether if there is a MySQL or whether it is Oracle or anything else. Okay, and then you need to go and check out SQL or payloads. Simply type for SQL payloads GitHub. Here you can see some bunch of them, the HQL. So these are some different kinds of uh, database languages that are used. Let's think MySQL is used. Okay, you can read this guide. Okay, you can read this guide. But before doing this SQL injection, you need to know a little bit amount, like little amount of information on these databases and stuff. If you don't know, then it would be like a different movie for you, movie without subtitles. But you can check this post out. Provide the link in the description. It's not Telugu, like it's Hindi. He's saying that he's asking for SQL resources. Not Telugu, it's Hindi. Can also read. You can ask your questions, guys. So think you like the video that I uploaded morning, and also you can post some suggestions or any suggestions for the new videos. I'll try to implement them. Okay. I'm looking your chat, guys, in my mobile, so there is nothing else in my mobile. वंडरफुल डिफाइन करने का लिए please post in English, bro. I'm not much familiar with Hindi. Okay, like I could understand little bit, but I can't understand everything. Please try to tell me in English. Okay, you're like I'm not getting your what you're asking me for. So hi, bro. Back here to quote. I worship. We need to learn what we need to learn to find SQL injection. As I told you previously, you need to have a little bit of understanding on uh, SQL. Okay, like what are databases, what are tables. Like you need to learn how you can write those queries in any language. Okay, whether it could be MySQL or SQL. Then try to see how you can inject stuff. Okay, it's like you need to inject some stuff, and you'll after completion of learning SQL, you'll definitely learn how you can do SQL injection. So that's the magic of that. Okay, learn SQL before, and then you can do that stuff. You go, please bring a video about your lab specifications, since many people ask. Yes, yeah, that's on my list. I'll definitely do that, Rakib. I'll definitely make a video on my laptop, and I'll also post a video. Like the video would be something like what are the best specifications to buy a laptop. Okay, what are the best specifications for buying some cybersecurity related laptop or for laptop for hacking. So Reaver is not working. I have tried older versions. Any idea for alternatives? See, I'm not mostly into the Wi-Fi hacking stuff. Okay, I know Reaver. Like Varshit, I think you should try what you call the jet security version of Kali Linux. Okay, like they set it up everything which works where Reaver and everything works. And also since Reaver is mainly used for W uh, EP, I think so, WP wide encryption privacy. Okay, I think I can do that by online as well. I think so because it's easy, right? You can I think you can find some WEP decryptors. Encryption Wi-Fi. think you can find some resources to do that. Can you say a good web to check the latest news for InfoSec and for upcoming cons? Twitter, Tute, I can't say anyone. Tools for let me come to the Rakib question. Can you say good to learn about what are the attacks that are being happened? Garnish is the best way. And one thing I could recommend you is do go to the Twitter. So in Twitter you can find some cyber security related topics. Okay, you can do check them out. Like you'll definitely find them, like find follow some good members in community, then you'll get almost all the information which are related to cyber security. I think so. Then you are almost clear, and you can find some good tips as well if you are on Twitter. So Twitter is the best way. And also if you look into the CVE, you can see what are all the CVEs, common vulnerability stuff, like what are the vulnerabilities that are found. You can find out there. Yeah, Twitter is the best way to keep. Tools for recon. No, I guess it's for WPC. WPS is a button. Okay, like if the WPS is enabled, or yeah, if WPS is enabled, the button is clicked in, then the password would be like in digits. Okay, like within digits. But if it's not enabled, it would be having password. Like I'm not, as I told you, I'm not much into those Wi-Fi hacking, even though I had done that, but I did on the latest versions like PA2 and WPA. Okay, like I'm not much familiar with this WEP. I think WPS is an option. Like, there will be some button for every router or anything else. So if you enable that, if it's enabled, then you can log in with a passcode, value code. Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, like this is the best location where you can find out some stuff. You can also see some hashtags running over there. You can see some posts. That's all. I rely completely on Twitter. Okay, you can follow some good handles. You'll get your information. Tools for recon. There are many tools, Ayush. The first one is going to be WhatWeb. Many tools. I'll definitely make a video on that, Ayush. Okay, like I can't tell that right now. If I tell that, it would be like flooding over you. But I'll definitely make a video on. I'll definitely make a video on how to do recon for bug bounty. Okay, do check that out in upcoming future. Advanced hacking course. I think so. They are only having normal. I think so. Like I only have one course, a beginner course. That too I got from my university. Some of them provided for me. One of my senior provided for me. I did that, and any way to hack without brute forcing or evil twin for no. See, what happens is, so let me tell you in brief. In WPR, WPA2, what we try to do is we try to disconnect all the devices that are connected to the router. And when a machine is trying to connect back to the router, it is going to change the password, which is in encrypted format, to the router, and we catch that, and we try to decrypt that. Okay, for decrypting, you might be requiring a something like a good word list, and that could be mostly brute forcing, like we keep on searching for whether this is password or not, this password or not. Okay, and evil twin attack, I think you might be knowing that, like we create a same suppose let's take a Wi-Fi name, or name be ss Satvik. Okay, you try to create a same fake IP, sorry, same fake access point like that, and when the user tries to connect to it, then then it will prompt something like to asking for password, and if you enter that, you can get that. So to be frank, evil twin attack is little bit like phishing. Okay, can you start a bash scripting series? Sure, thanks for the suggestion, Rakib. Definitely check that out. Thank you. Fluxion is also, I think Fluxion is not there, I think so. Let me look into that. I used to have a video on Fluxion back then, but YouTube removed that. Think this, I don't know, there are many versions of like nowadays there are many versions of Fluxion. There are many Fluxions out there, but I don't know, I think the first one would work fine. See, Fluxion also does the same uh, evil twin attack only, How much to time spend in bug bound? It depends, Aish. Like I can specify a particular amount of time. It purely depend upon your skills and your learning capability. Like I can say whether it will take. Sorry, me network hacking course. I don't know. Not much. I'll look that. There is a possibility. I'll definitely do that. And Aish, it completely depends, man. Okay, depends on one individual. If you're really fast learner, it will take a little bit this particular amount of time. If you are slow learner, it will take some amount of time. I can't give any general statement regarding that, but work hard and you'll definitely find it. Definitely find some good stuff for you. Okay, bye. So any more question, guys? Like still we are having 8 minutes of time. I can go longer. How much language have to learn? You don't require any languages for that to learn any programming language, but if you know how to do programming, then that's fine. Any programming language is definitely fine. There is no necessity to learn programming, okay? But if you know programming, then that's fine, absolutely fine. But if you don't know, even though it's fine, but if you know a little bit of programming, then it will be help you in long run. Okay. So any more questions? We're having amount of time. So which is the best platform for beginning in bug bounty? uh, there is like only there are like three popular platforms out there: Integrity, Bug Crowd, and Hacker One. You can choose any one of them. There is no differences between them. All are similar. All provide the uh, region to hack. Okay, you can do any one. What is your choice? I go with private. Okay, private bounties. So guys, I think I cleared all your doubts. Like I cleared partly all your doubts, and really thank you for joining me for today. I was a little bit of busy, so that's it. I hope I cleared some of your doubts, and if you are having still many doubts, you can still post it. I'll wait for some more time. So that's it, guys. Really thank you for staying tuned for with me for today. I hope I had cleared some of your doubts. Okay, and as time is completing, I need to quit this. Okay, but really thank you guys for joining me for today and posting some of your valuable questions. So this is Satvik signing off, and uh, tomorrow I'll be back with one more video. Okay. So I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Sairam. If you're having any doubts, feel free to comment below. Okay, I'll try to answer them. So that's it, guys, for today. I'll meet you tomorrow with a new live stream. So really thank you for joining me for today. This is Satvik signing off, and I'll meet you once again. Goodbye, take care. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, do check out my previous videos as well. I think its stream is finished. You can join my Discord server, Sairam. Okay, the link is in the description below. You can post your questions there, so I can help you there as well. So that's it, guys, for today. Really thank you for staying tuned with me. I'm ending the stream. Good night.